Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a biotech company that's making some serious waves. Rani Therapeutics, trading under the ticker Rani. If you've ever wondered if we could replace injections with a simple pill, Rani might just have the answer, and some big players are starting to bet on them. Just recently, Rani announced a massive collaboration with the Japanese pharmaceutical giant Chugai. We're talking about a deal worth up to $1 billion, including an upfront payment, plus milestones and future royalties. At the same time, Rani secured about $60 million in a private placement. This double shot of funding not only extends their financial runway all the way into 2028, but also sends a powerful message to the market. Rani is here to stay, and their technology is getting some serious validation. So, what exactly is this game-changing tech? It's called the RaniPill. Imagine taking complex biologic drugs, like antibodies that currently require a needle in the form of a simple capsule. This is a huge deal. It tackles three major problems at once. First, patient adherence. Let's be honest, nobody likes needles, and frequent injections can be a real burden. A pill makes treatment far easier. Second, it expands market access. More people will be willing to start and stick with a treatment if it's just a pill they can take at home. And third, it boosts system efficiency by cutting down on logistics, cold chain storage, and clinic visits, which all add up in healthcare costs. The beauty of Rani's platform is its scalability. Once they prove the RaniPill works for one complex drug, they can adapt it for many others. This deal with Chugai is essentially a major proof of concept, opening the door to a whole pipeline of future licensing opportunities. They're tapping into a market where both patients and healthcare systems are desperate for a shift from injections to oral formats. Now, this space is incredibly tough. Delivering large biologic molecules orally without them being destroyed by the digestive system is a huge technical challenge. Companies like 𝗚𝗏 and even big pharma players like Novo Nordisk are working on it, but they're mostly focused on smaller molecules or specific drugs. Rani's key advantage is its broad platform approach and its partnership model. They're not trying to do everything themselves. They're aiming to become the go-to enabling technology for the entire industry. So, what's the financial picture? The Chugai deal and the private placement have massively de-risked the company financially. Of course, issuing new shares means some dilution for existing investors, but the trade-off is a stable balance sheet for years to come. This allows them to focus purely on execution. Analysts believe that if their clinical programs succeed and milestone payments start rolling in, revenues could scale very quickly by 2028. Looking ahead 5 years, there are a few ways this could play out. In a moderate success scenario, they get 1 or 2 oral biologics to market, and the stock sees multifold growth. In a high success scenario, the platform is validated across many drugs, leading to multiple partnerships and a massive valuation jump. Of course, there's also the risk of underperformance if technical or regulatory hurdles prove too high. This is biotech after all. It's high risk, high reward. The key catalysts to watch for are simple: successful progress with Chugai, positive clinical trial results for their first oral antibody, new partnership deals, and any news on the regulatory front. Each of these could be a major inflection point for the stock. In conclusion, the Chugai partnership is a transformative moment for Rani Therapeutics. It provides financial stability and, more importantly, a powerful endorsement of their technology. If the RaniPill succeeds, it could fundamentally change how millions of patients receive life-saving medicines. It's a high-volatility, long-term play. But for investors who believe in the future of oral biologics, Rani Therapeutics is definitely one to watch closely. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know your thoughts on Rani in the comments below. See you in the next video.